Share a very popular dish in Macau. Boiling shellfish with white wine. First, prepare your favorite shellfish butter onions, garlic and white wine. Soak the shellfish in water and salt for 2 hours. Chop the onion into small pieces. Put 2 pieces of butter in a hot pan. After the oil is hot, add the minced garlic and onion first. Stir-fry the onion until it becomes transparent. After stir-frying for a minute or 2, put in the prepared shellfish. Cover and simmer for 1 minute. After the shellfish start to open their shells, pour in white wine. Add as much as you like according to your taste. Stir-fry it. Cover and simmer for another minute. All shells have their mouths open. Then it's ready to serve. Please follow me. I will share a Cantonese dish every day.